How to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on what kind of affiliates you should promote on Pinterest and how you can do that. So let's get into it. Now, affiliate marketing is super popular and a lot of people are looking to do affiliate marketing. And there are so many different platforms that have affiliates right now. You can find affiliates in basically any niche. This is Digistore24. I have an account over here and I can see there are so many different affiliates I can pick out from. You also have platforms like Dr. Cash and CPA Grip that enable you to promote different affiliates. So these are like affiliate marketplaces and you can pick out the affiliates that you want to promote. Now, I really don't recommend a certain affiliate product over the other. The thing with affiliate marketing is I recommend that if you have something that you have know-how of, so if there's a particular niche that you're interested in, that you have previously worked in, that you have some experience in, I recommend you pick that. The reason for that is because if you pick something that you already know about, that you have some information about, then it's going to be a lot easier for you to promote that kind of product simply because, for example, if I have no information about keto and I try to promote this meal plan, then I won't be able to do that effectively because I don't have any information, and however I try to promote it won't seem very genuine. So pick something you are genuinely interested in and you genuinely know information about. So for us, we're gonna go with this keto meal plan because I do know quite a lot about diet and all that. So we want to promote this. Now, make sure you assess the overall earnings that you're going to get, what the payout is. Now, after that, one thing that you have to do is to create a Pinterest account. I have a Pinterest business account. Now, you don't need this at all. I just got this I just got it because I wanted a Pinterest business account. The only difference this gives you is that it provides you a little more of a detailed analytic to your actual pins so you can see what kind of pins perform well. And this can help you in making sure you design your pins in a more appealing and in a more inviting fashion. So, one more thing that a lot of people ask about is, do I directly copy and paste my links onto Pinterest? I don't recommend that. The reason for that is in some countries, there are, laws where you have to disclose if you're an affiliate. So what I like to do is I like to use something like Google Sites or Wix to create a blog website. Now, once I have a blogging website, what I like to do is I like to post blogs, and in my blogs, I link my affiliates. And then on Pinterest, I make pins to promote my blogs. So you get it from Pinterest, people would open my blogs, and from my blogs, people would open my affiliate link. This is a great way to make it a lot easier and simpler for you to add a bunch of different links. You can directly add links as well. You guys can see this is like a affiliate link pin that I created and it is linking directly to Digistore24. Now, it's an okay method to do this, but it can be it can seem or come across as a little disingenuous. So, what I recommend is you do the other method because it makes your product, it makes the item that you're promoting seem very genuine, and people think and people get the impression and they will know that, okay, you're not just promoting it to make money. This product actually might work and this product is actually effective. So, just to increase the efficacy of it, it can be a lot better if you are able to do it with a blog post. Now, for a website, you can use Google Sites or Wix. We have detailed videos on how you can create websites on these platforms. And what you want to do is you can just create blogs. So let's say I have a keto blog, I can click on add, and from here I can click on insert. I can insert my content block. So let's say I just want to add text first. I'm just going to insert my text block. And now what I like to do is I like to use ChatGPT to write my blog for me. You don't have to, wait a couple of hours to post your pin. You can just ask ChatGPT to write you a short blog on keto. So write a short blog on keto for weight loss. Now, you guys can see this is my meal plan. Now, the product that I'm promoting. So what I'm going to do is I can create multiple different pins promoting multiple different blog posts. You can even create multiple different pins promoting the same blog post. And what this can do is that this can help you in getting more reach. The more reach you get, the higher the possibility or the higher the chances that you're going to find someone. The larger your audience is, the larger the chance that at least one or two of those people are going to be interested in what you are promoting. So we're going to click on create over here, and we are just going to click on create pin, and we can start creating our pin. Now what I like to do is I like to use a picture from Canva. I like to design everything on Canva. So first off, I'm just going to add my little blog post onto Google Sites, going into Google Sites over here, pasting it, and then after that below I'm just going to remove the inclusion heading, and somewhere around this section, so one and a half way through, I would like to add my affiliate link. So what I'm going to do is just below this section, 1/3 of my blog. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to link my item from over here. So I'm just going to link our affiliate product, click on paste over here. And you can also go on to TinyURL, and TinyURL just allows you to shorten URLs. I can just click on copy, paste it over here, and then I'm going to do, and like this I just get a prettier version of my URL. It can look a lot better. So instead of adding, your Digistore24 or any other of your URLs, you can use TinyURL to make it a lot simpler and easier. And then at the bottom you can pretty much do the same thing and promote it once more. You want to just click on publish over here, and you can just publish your little Google site. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to publish this, go back and click on view. So from here, I can just open the site up, and we will open up the keto blog like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on ahead into Canva, and I'm going to search for Pinterest. Once I search for Pinterest, it's going to give me a bunch of different templates for, these amazing pins. Now, I'm going to take this one, click on customize. So I have something like this, and I'm just going to resize it over here, edit this, and then I'm going to delete the image, and then I can just click on elements. I can use a element from over here, weight loss before and after, and you guys can see there are a bunch of different elements I can pick out from as well. So let's say we want to do this one. For that, I don't really need a background picture, but I'm gonna go with photos, and I'm gonna go with one of the photos. So you guys can see there are a bunch of different options, and I think I'm gonna go with maybe this one, like so. And then I can just click on share, click on download, download this PNG, and I would upload it onto Pinterest. So let's just wait for the download to be completed. And now I'm uploading my image, and now I can add my title. So you want to make sure this section is super detailed. So the best weight loss diet, that's what I'm going to title it. Then I can add a description. I can ask ChatGPT to write me a description, and with details, I'm gonna write none. And then you can add a link as well. You can add your URL link as well. And then that is it. So that is how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with using this method to promote your affiliates. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.